Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, hi everyone. I hope you are doing great.
Good evening,
So
sir.
last class we are discussing. Last class we are discussing what is the difference between kite and rhombus. So I hope you all made a notes on this.
Sir, September 25th, I have my math exam too.
Okay, great.
Sir, could you please, it's like my request, sir. Once could you revise the chapter rational numbers, sir?
Revise the chapter rational numbers. Better before I revise, you revise the chapter rational numbers.
It's like the chapter I'm feeling a little difficult, only rational numbers, sir. I'm not getting that chapter.
No. What I'm saying is, I hope you have the notes. Go through the notes of rational numbers. Note down the points where you are feeling difficult in understanding or getting it or solving the particular equation or problem. Note down all the difficulties where you are lagging behind. Then come to me. I will make sure that clear all your conceptual doubts and make a easy way of solving the problems. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I already uploaded the paper for this weekend. So it will usually be 40 marks, 40 bits, 1 hour test. So let's start our discussion, continue our discussion. Last class we are discussing what is kite and rhombus. So let's start our discussion. So we are discussing 2D shapes. So we are done with trapezium, rhombus, and even kite. So difference between kite and rhombus, we already, I hope everyone of you copied the notes. So here is further. So let us discuss quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, please note down the definition. A quadrilateral is a closed two-dimensional shape formed by joining four straight sides, It has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. The sum of all the interior angles is 360 degrees. Okay. So here parallelogram, rectangle.
So can you go up a little?
Wait. Parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and square are types of quadrilateral.
Can you scroll up, sir?
Done. Please make it fast. We need to discuss a many concept today. Okay. So I'm drawing a quadrilateral here. So these two are the perpendicular lines. And let the quadrilateral be A, B, C, D. Okay. And let, so what happened? Oh my God. So if you see this here, so area of quadrilateral will be A, B, area of quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area ACB, that is area of triangle ACB plus area of triangle ADC. So you know what is area of triangle ACB? ACB, what is the triangle here? So half into base into height. So this, let this be H1 and this be H2. So if I consider ACB triangle, so half into height H2 into base is what? AC. Correct. Similarly, half ADC for this above triangle ADC, half into H1 into AC. Correct. So if I take half into AC as common, you will be getting H1 plus H2. So area of quadrilateral will be half into H in AC into H1 plus H2.
So, sir, this will be parallelogram formula.
This is the parallelogram formula.
So, this one, sir, wait, this is not parallelogram formula, sir. This is just some random quadrilateral.
Random quadrilateral, yes.
Okay, sir.
Parallelogram, if you see, diagonals intersect each other and two sides are parallel there.
Okay, sir.
Here, no sides are parallel, nothing. It's just a four-sided shape.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you scroll up a little bit? I'll screenshot it. Can you just zoom out a little bit? Sir, I want to see the image so I can screenshot it and put it into my doc. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
So
I have a doubt.
I hope everyone done with. Yes, Chirantej, you have something to say?
Sir, on that day I asked one doubt, right, sir?
Which one? Kite.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Uh,
My ma'am told that x is equal to 80, sir.
X is equal to 80.
Yes, sir.
Opposite angles are equal, right? What was your question?
This one, sir. This one, sir.
This is a question, right? You asked.
Yes, sir.
So this is kite, right?
Yes, sir.
So opposite side should be same, right?
Yes, sir. X is equals to 10.
X is equal to 110 degrees and Y is equal to 60 degrees. So if you sum up all this, 110 plus 110 is 220. 60 plus 60 is
340.
In kite, opposite angles are not same. What was the property there? What was the property there?
Sir,
Yes.
I think the opposite angle should be supplementary, sir. Then the answer will be 360 degrees only.
If that's the case, this is 110. This is 110 means this is 70. And 60, 120. Then it will be 360.
Sir.
Let me check. Opposite angles should be equal and obtuse in kite. So it's correct only. Opposite angle should be same. They should be equal and obtuse. What was the answer for this, Chera?
Sir, my ma'am told that y is equals to 80 and x is equals to 110, sir. If we do 110 plus 110 plus 80 plus 80 is coming 360.
Y is equal to 80.
Yes, sir.
And x is equal to?
110.
How could it be? You, ma'am, so you gave the question as wrong. This is 80, I guess. Y is 80.
Sir, if it is 80, then it would not be 360, sir. It will be 380 total.
No. So what actually happen here is, x should see opposite angles should be what? It should be equal in kite. Suppose it 110 degrees, 110 degrees is 220 degrees, 160 degrees, that will be 380 degrees. How come this angle will be same and this angle will be different? Your ma'am said x is equal to 110 degrees. Why should be compulsory? It should be the same, no?
Sir, I think y is 70, sir.
Yeah, y should be 70, I guess.
And
Just check the
and
question.
d should also be 70.
Kite angles, opposite angles are same and they should be obtuse. You know what is meant by obtuse, right?
Lower than 180 degrees, sir.
Lower than 180 degrees. Suppose if you check, so this is called first thing here. If you see the priority 110 degrees, angle A is 110 degrees. So this is lower than obtuse. So that is qualified, and opposite angle should be what? Equal.
Equal.
So this is correct only. You gave me the question as wrong. This is correct only. Okay, we are done with sir, angle sum property. How come 110 plus 110 plus 60 is equal to 360, brother? One 10 plus 110 is 220. 60 plus 60 is 120. That sums up to 340. What is your doubt, Charan? You asked your what you check with the question, Charan, once again.
Sir, once I'm showing the question.
Then the question itself is wrong. You only challenge your ma'am. Ma'am, how could it be 60 degrees? If that is a 60 degrees, opposite angle should be equal. If then opposite angle should be equal, it's not summing up to 360 degrees. So it's 60 degrees, right? What you have seen there, I can't see it properly. It's 60 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Then no worries. The question itself is wrong. I can bet you on this.
Okay, sir.
Then it will become a quadrilateral. How could it be a kite? If it's not satisfying its own purpose and characteristics, how could it be a kite? It should
Okay,
be a normal quadrilateral. What was mentioned in the question?
Sir, find the values of x and y in the following kite.
Find the values of x and y
In the following kite.
kite. Why did they mention kite? Kite has its characteristics, right? You please remove that book from the camp. Okay. So kite has its own characteristics, right? What exactly kite means? So opposite angle should be equal and obtuse. Obtuse matlab each angle should not be greater than 180 degrees. And they should be equal. So kite itself reflects that. So don't get confused. Question itself is wrong. You can go and challenge your ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Next, what all we discussing? You know what is 1 meter, right? What is 1 meter? 1 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? You know all this, right? 1 meter
Yes, sir.
square is equal to how much? 100 into 100. That is 10,000 centimeter square. You know all this, right?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
square centimeter. You know this, right? Hello, Babulu, Papalu.
Yes,
You know
sir.
this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And what else we have? We discussed quadrilateral, rhombus, and what all we left with? Polygon. And before this, let me discuss few small thing so that you don't get confused. You know what is two-dimensional figure and three-dimensional figure, right? As I already told you at very beginning of the class.
Yes, sir.
You know this, right?
Yes, sir.
So two-dimensional figure is plain figure or solid figure?
Plain figure, sir.
Plain figure, sir.
Plain figure,
And-
sir.
And three-dimensional figure is solid figure. Okay. What is the standard unit of volume? What is the standard unit of volume? We discussed volume, no? So we will be discussing volume. Don't worry.
Sir, meter cube, sir. Meter cube,
This-
sir.
Yes, meter cube. So if I draw a rectangle, how many dimensions it has?
2 dimensions, sir.
2 dimensions.
So two dimensions. One is length and one is breadth. Suppose if I draw a square, it has only one dimension. That is, all sides are equal. Either you can name it L, S, X, Y, Z, anything you can name it. But there is only one dimension. That is length, or you can call it as any way. Why? Because it has only one dimension. That is, all sides are equal in rhombus. Sorry, in square. And what else left with basic things? Our diagonals of rhombus are what?
Not
Perpendicular.
equal.
Perpendicular, sir.
Perpendicular to each other.
And perpendicular, and they are also
Not
Parallel.
equal.
Not equal. Sir, they're
Sir, they're not equal.
last class only I told. What diagonals of rhombus? What?
Sir, they're not equal, sir. I clarified with my teacher at school, sir. He said
They
that
are
they're
not.
equal.
They are not
Because-
equal. Sides are equal, but diagonals, they are not equal, but they bisect each other perpendicularly. Okay. And do they have same length or different length?
Different lengths, sir.
different lengths, sir.
Diagonals will have same length or different length in rhombus.
Different, sir.
Different.
So they do have different lengths. Okay, if you calculate from here to here and here to here, the lengths are different. And what are the basic questions I need to discuss? So yeah, let's move on with polygon. So any doubt till now in trapezium, square,
No, sir.
and rhombus, kite? Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, let's move on with polygon. A polygon, please note down this parallelly. A polygon is a simple closed surface or simple closed curve made up of lines segments. Made up of line segments only. So it can be any curve. So what can be curve? Curve might be in this way, but that should be made up of lines segments only. Line segments only. See, this is line segment, this is line segment, this is line segment, line segment, line segment, line segment. Again, I can draw this way also. This is also one polygon. So a polygon is a simple closed surface or closed curve made up of line segment, made up of line segment, made up of line segment, line segments, line segment. Please concentrate on this line segments only, line segments only. So this could be also a polygon. Here, this is line segment, line segment, line segment, line segment, line segment, line segment. Again, this could be also a polygon. So any closed surface which is attached with line segments of any n number of sides, that is called as polygon. So this is also a polygon. So any n number of sides, but the only thing is it should be a line segment. It should be a line segment. Okay. And let us discuss about convex and concave polygon. So there are types of polygon now. Types of polygon, concave, convex and concave polygon. So if I see a polygon, please write down. A polygon is a concave polygon if a line segment joining two different points does not lie completely inside the polygon. A polygon is a concave polygon if a line segment joining two different points does not lie completely inside the polygon. Completely inside the polygon. Does not lie completely inside the polygon. So example, if you see here, so if you see this polygon, Is any of the line segment joining 2 points is lying inside? So if you see here, this line segment is out. This 2 points line segment is out. This point line segment is out. This is also out. They are lying outside only. So each and every point lying outside or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, could you little bit scroll up? Yes. That's it.
And same. Convex is line segment joining any 2 points lies completely inside the polygon. Please note down this. Yes, Lasya.
The down definition, sir. Line segments join any two complete points. Though that is for convex, right, sir?
Line segment joining any 2 points lies completely inside the polygon.
That is for convex, right, sir?
Yeah, convex polygon.
Okay, sir.
So here if you see in concave polygon, okay, the angle at each should be greater than 180 degrees. Okay. So if you see here, every angle in concave polygon, every angle can be greater than 180 degrees. And here you don't, polygon means you should, when you sum up it, it should not be equal to 360 degrees. It can be anything. It can be more than 360 degrees. When you sum up all angles of the polygon, it can be more than 360 degrees. Suppose if this is 210 degrees, this is 206 degrees, 207 degrees, 300 degrees, 310 degrees, anything. So this is not, this is called as concave polygon. In convex polygon, if you come across a convex polygon, it's a simple shape where each angle should be less than 180 degrees. That this should be 90, this should be 120, 130, 40, or 70 degrees. So it should be here, each angle should be less than 180 degrees in convex polygon, and angle should be greater than 180 degrees in concave polygon. So please make a note of this.
That's it.
Okay, next let us move on to regular polygon. Polygon whose all sides and angles are equal is called a regular polygon. Is called regular polygon. So what are the polygon? So if you consider here, polygon with all sides are equal means I can draw a square. This is a polygon where all sides are equal and angles are also equal. An equilateral triangle also I can draw, where all angles are equal and all sides are equal. Okay. An irregular polygon. Yes.
Sir, in a regular polygon, can any of these 2 points may be missing? Like in a rectangle, all are 90 degrees, but sides are not equal. Can
That
it
is
be
irregular
like that?
polygon.
Okay, sir.
Polygons which don't have or which do not have all the sides and angles of equal measure or you can simply say are not equal, then that is irregular polygon. So if you see here, a square and a rectangle and a rhombus are irregular polygon. In rhombus, if you say all sides are equal but angles are not equal. Next, solid shapes. Please be quick. Copy down this. Next, solid shapes.
Sir, can you go back, sir, please?
I'll take a screenshot of.
Sir, I took screenshots, sir. You can go.
So what is cube? You know, no?
Cube is a 3-dimensional shape, sir.
Three-dimensional shape with all sides equal. Right.
Yes, sir.
With all sides equal, like length equal to breadth equal to height. So cube is nothing but if I join it, if I take square, plain square paper and join 6 sides, that is if you consider your room, bottom, up, 2 sides and front and back. So your left side, your right side, your top, your bottom and front and back. So it comprises of 6 sides. If these 6 sides are square, then that is nothing but square. So combining all square surfaces, top, bottom, left, right, front and back is called as cube. So Rubik's cube, you can see Rubik's cube. All sides are all surfaces in 6 sides is square or not. So this is cube where length and breadth and height are equal to, let it be A. So this is length A and A. So what is the volume now?
Cube, sir, A cube.
A into A, that is length into breadth into height, that is equal to A cube. Correct? And what about the surface area?
Sir, 6A square, sir.
A into A, sir.
No. Surface area is simple, 6A square. So what I said for you, you are joining all these 6 surfaces, 6 square surfaces, front, top. So each surface is how much? A square, no? Area is. So if I combine all 6 surfaces, it is 6A square, no? So total surface area would be how much?
6A square, sir.
6A
6A
square.
square. So any doubt in this? Next, cuboid. What is cuboid? So if length and breadth and height are not equal, then that is cuboid, simple. So if for a closed surface, your room is a cuboid, you see there. Your room is a cuboid. So write down a definition for cuboid. A solid bounded
Sir,
by
can
6
you scroll up a little?
So we have two small components. One is cuboid and cylinder. If once we discuss surface area and volume of total surface area and volume of this, we are done with for cuboid and cylinder. We are done with the class. So please be quick.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next, we are moving to another 3D shape, that is cuboid. Okay. Write down the definition first. A solid bounded by six rectangular plane spaces. So if you order, what to say, any Amazon order, if you will get in a box, no, closed box.
Yes.
And also if you join 6 square surfaces, it is what? If you join 6 square surfaces, it is what?
Cuboid, sir.
6 square surfaces?
Cube, sir.
Cube. And if you join 6 rectangular plane faces
Cuboid.
that are parallel to each other, is what? That are parallel to each other, and the line segment joining all this joining the all this parallel faces forms a cuboid. So what I am drawing here is a rectangle parallel to this, another rectangle I am drawing here. Now what I am doing, I am joining. I am connecting this parallel surface with a line segment. So this is cuboid. Sorry for the diagram, but this is how it actually looks like, cuboid. Okay, so you have length, breadth, and height.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, could you little bit scroll up, sir, just about the last line? Yes, sir.
So now let us, what is volume for this?
Length into breadth into height, sir.
So volume is nothing but what?
Length into breadth into height, sir.
As my friend told, volume is length into breadth into height. And what is total surface area here? Total surface area. Similar to the way you actually derived for this. So all surfaces are rectangular, square. What? Rectangle, right?
Rectangle.
So if I consider this, so first if I consider this, अरे बाबा क्या हो रहा है?
Sir, 6LB, sir.
अरे बाबा 6LB ఎట్లా అవుతుంది కన్నా నాన్న బుజ్జి అరే 6LB ఎట్లా అవుతుందిరా కాదు 6LB కాదు ఒక్క నిమిషం చెప్తా let me draw this diagram properly. అన్ని జాయిన్ చేసేసాము did we join all? Okay. So here if you see, from here to here it's length, and from here to here it's breadth, and from here to here it's height. Okay, now what I am doing, this is one surface. So what is the area of this surface 1?
L into B, sir. L into B.
L into B.
How it is L into B? You are wrong. So this is length, as this is parallel to this is length, and this is parallel to this. So this is what? Height. So L into H. And similarly for this surface, length into breadth. And similarly for this surface 3.
Breadth into height, sir.
Yeah. Where is red here? Okay, let it go. So this
Sir,
is 3.
the formula.
Breadth into height. Similarly, so you calculated for this one 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So for this, so this is ground. So you see the beneath which you are sitting. So this beneath you which you are sitting, that is ground one, upper one. So similarly, again, same sides will have no parallelly. So plus length into height plus length into breadth plus breadth into height. So overall, 2 into L into H plus 2 times of L into breadth plus 2 times of B into height. So finally, I can write taking 2 common, length into breadth, length plus length into height plus breadth into height. So I can write it as total surface area, that is TSA, is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. So this is the formula. Any confusion till now? Please take a screenshot of this. Be quick. Later you can copy. Anyways, and next
Yes.
final one is cuboid. Sorry, cylinder. So did you see gas cylinder in your kitchen, or you have this? If you go and watch in kitchen gas cylinder, did you see this gas cylinder?
Yes.
Or any water bottle or any
That's a stand, sir.
a pencil stand on your desk. So usually it will be a cylinder. So cylinder, this will be height.
Like some candles.
Yeah, candle also. Candle is also cylinder. And this is radius. This is circle. If you see if you see a water bottle, down and bottom, you have the circle, and the surface enclosed is also circle. So this is height and this is R. And what else you are left with? Now, if I tell what is volume, how you will calculate?
Sir, pi r square into h.
So volume is
Pi
this
r
is
square plus pi r square.
so this is so area of this is pi r square. So this pi r square is coinciding with each other.
So sir, it will be pi r square into height, sir.
अरे बाबा रुको ना भाई, explain कर रहा हूँ इधर. I told number of times this fellow Pranav, I will give a complaint on you to your mother. When you want to talk, you please raise your hand and talk. You keep on interrupting me. I am explaining here. So if you see here, these circles are coinciding each other. So how many times each circle is coinciding on? So if you place, so if you cut a circle of pi r square and place, and if you cut another circle, place on it, and keep on cutting all the number of circles and keep it on one, you will get that will form cylinder. So what I am doing, I am placing here this all circle h times. So one after the other, I am placing h times, so that h length times I am placing. So pi r square into h. So volume will be pi r square h. I hope everyone of you got this.
Yes, sir.
So next, what is
Sir.
total?
But there are two circles, right? So 2 into pi r square won't come.
Volume I am considering. See, how you calculate what? I'm not talking about total surface area here. I'm talking about volume here. If you pour water in a bottle, the water in a bottle will fill up to the capacity how much it is. So what is volume exactly means? What is volume exactly means? Gagana, what is volume exactly means?
So the quantity it holds.
The quantity it holds, correct. So volume means the quantity it holds. So if I pour a water, is it occupying this whole cylinder?
Yes, sir.
Means each and every surface is occupied or not?
Yes, sir.
So pi r square, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. So first I started pouring water, one level filled. That is pi r square level filled. Another pi r square level filled. This summing up till pi r square h. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so on till h. Got it?
Yes,
Till
sir.
there,
Understood.
till that limitation, it gets filled, right? So if you sum up all this quantity, that is nothing but volume, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is pi r square. So volume is equal to pi r square h. Similarly, now you please tell Pranava what is total surface area here? Pranava, what is total surface area here? Pranava, what is total surface area here? Are you here in the class?
Yes, sir.
What is total surface area here? Can you please explain the class how you calculate this?
Sir, so it will become circumference into height, sir.
Circumference into
Height. So like we are counting the outer surface area, no, sir. So it will become circumference into area, height.
Circumference into is completely wrong. We are talking about area, not perimeter. What exactly circumference means here? It's a perimeter. We are talking about area here. So if you see, so this is one circle which is on the top, and this is one circle which is on the bottom. So what is area of the circle? Pi r square and pi r square. Correct. Any confusion in this? Any confusion in this, students?
No, sir.
And there, what I am doing here is, so usually if I cut this cylinder, you will get three surfaces here. One is, so if you cut this middle part, sorry, if you cut top, if you cut, you will get one circle, bottom if you cut one circle, and middle, if so you are left with middle part if you widespread this. So how should I explain you? See, so this is paper, right? I hope everyone can see the paper, right?
Yes, sir.
So once I fold this paper, so this paper got into cylinder shape or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so this surface is what? Circle or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And again, this surface is circle or not? So this is bottom surface, and this is top surface. So circle, right? So once I open this paper, what does it mean actually forming? Rectangle, right?
Rectangle.
A
Yes,
little
sir.
bit, sir.
So three surfaces we have here. So this is pi r square, and this would be, now here circumference comes into picture.
Sir, yeah, circumference will come as the height will be there given, right?
So height and circumference. So total circumference of a circle. So you are converting this cylinder into a rectangle. So what will be the length? 2 pi r. So the total surface area will be pi r square plus 2 pi r into h, that is area of rectangle, plus pi r square. That would be equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So that will be equal to 2 pi r if I take common, r plus h. I can also write it as 2 pi r into h plus r. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So please take a screenshot of this. So I hope we are done with mensuration. So please consider this, what all we discuss points, please make a note of it, go through the notes and do well in the examination. You have 40 bits. What all we discussed in the class will be in the question paper. So please go through this and please practice some problems. Anyways, I will. So we are left with practice session of the problems. Practice session of the problems will be discussed on Monday. That is next Monday. That is next class. So don't worry. You please go through what all with. I will send you some PDF, mensuration PDF. Go through it and solve the problems which is there in the PDF. Okay, which is there in the PDF. Please solve it. Okay.
Sorry to disturb you, sir. This week, which kind of questions we are going to get?
Please go through the message which is in your WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
last week test results. Sir.
Yes, Zubair. Yes. What about your last week test results? Should I mention here? I hope you got to know through WhatsApp group.
Sir, it's in WhatsApp group, sir.
Zubair,
Yes.
you got 20 on 20, Zubair. I saw in the group.
I didn't see it.
Okay.
Sir,
You
where
didn't.
I lost my marks?
You lost your Gagana. Yeah, I want to mention this. You lost marks. Just you did actually a small mistake. I will tell you. Wait.
Sir, may we leave, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Gagana, there what exactly happened is, so area of rectangle for 8th question, like I told you to find out the carpet area and for each carpet area per square meter, it's rounding up to 8 rupees. So for 1 square meter, it's rounding up to 8 rupees. So I gave you length and breadth as 50 and 20 meters. So 15 to 20, it's like actually the product is equal to 1000 meters square, but you wrote it as 100 meters square. So that's the only
Okay,
mistake
sir.
you did.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you tell?
Okay, students, all the best for your next class. Okay.
Sir, can you tell my
Bye,
answer?
sir. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.